name is Tarush Srivastava. This is my final project for C50P or C50 Python. The project title is Password Strength Analyzer. My GitHub username is Ryzen is here. My edX username is Tarush40. I am from Lucknow, India, and today's the date is 13th of January 2025. Let's start with our Python project. Let's start fresh and clear. First of all, let's clear the terminal. Okay, so now I will be now opening the directory which contains my project. This is my directory, which looks like having a project.py, read.md file, requirements.txt file, and text project.py file. Now let's test our program. So let's enter a password, a very simple, simple character combinations to check what my program will think of my given input. Now let's give it a try. So it shows that password strength is medium. Now let's give it another try. And now I will use an uppercase character with normal words. So now it chooses that the given password by the user is strong. Now let's give it another try, and let's take it a very simple way. Let's just add one, just give it number 1 2 3 4. Now what it will say, it will say that my password which I have chosen right now is weak. So mainly this works upon that my program takes a password as input and evaluates its strength based on length, uppercases, letters, digits, and special characters. So now I will be performing a PyTest on my program. As it says that my test is conducted successfully. Now to conclude this with my video, that this was my working demonstration of my program, and thank you so much.